we have to find increasing and decreasing functions for given fx equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x upon 2 plus cos x, and the intervals are in between 0 and 2 pi. Now fx is equal to 4 sin x minus x common 2 plus cos x. Just check it what I have done. Okay, and to this part we can write it 2 plus cos x upon 2 plus cos x. Now what is the benefit of writing this like this one? Differentiation part will become very easy. Okay, so we are having now fx is equal to 4 sin x upon 2 plus cos x minus x. Okay, now it will become very easy. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, f derivative x is equal to now applying the quotient rule for the first part, 2 plus cos x with derivative of 4 sin x with 4 cos x minus 4 sin x as it is with derivative for 2 plus cos x, that is minus sin x, upon 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1 derivative of this x. Okay. So now what we are having? We are having f derivative x is equal to 8 cos x plus 4 cos square x plus 4 sin square x upon 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1. Okay, so this part becomes 8 cos x plus 4 common cos square x plus sin square x upon 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1. Is it clear? Now what this becomes? Now this becomes, this is f derivative x. Now f derivative x becomes, now cos square x plus sin square x is what? 1. So we are having now 4 common cos x plus 4 common, we are having 8 cos x. So it will be 2 cos x plus 1 upon 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1. Or need not to go for this step, we can just do this on the next step. This will be the next step. Okay, so now we are having 8 cos x plus 4 upon 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1. Okay, now we are going to use the step which I was writing there. Now what we are having? Now we can write it 8 cos x plus 4 minus 2 plus cos x whole square upon 2 plus cos x whole square. Now this will become what? Now let's check it. This will become 8 cos x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 cos x plus cos square x. Sorry, it will be minus cos square x upon 2 plus cos x whole square. Okay, now what we are having? This 4 and 4 cancels. 8 cos x minus 4 cos x is 4 cos x minus cos square x. So we are having now 4 cos x minus cos square x, it becomes cos x common and 4 minus cos x upon 2 plus cos x whole square. Okay. Now for the critical value. For critical value, f derivative x is equal to 0. Now from here, what we are having? Cos x is equal to 0. Because 4 minus cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0. This is cos x. Cos x is equal to 0. And 2 plus cos x whole square is equal to 0. So we are left with only cos x is equal to 0. Okay. So here x is equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Now critical values are x is equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Is it clear? Now let's move for the increasing and decreasing part. Now what are the intervals which we have to take it now, because already we have given with 0 and 2 pi. Okay. So we are having 0 is less than is equal to x is less than pi by 2, one of the interval. Then pi by 2 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2, and then we are having 3 pi by 2 is less than x is less than 2 pi. We are having these intervals now. For 0 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 2 pi. Okay. So even we can move for this part as less than is equal to here. Okay. So now number 1, now for 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2. Now f derivative x is equal to, now we are going for this part, cos x, 4 minus cos x and 2 plus cos x whole square. So I am just using the symbols. We are having positive upon positive. This is equal to positive. You can take any of the value. Suppose we are taking that x is equal to 30 degree, x is equal to 45 degree. Any of the value you can take it. So if we are taking 45 degree, then what happens? Cos 45 positive. 4 minus cos 45 again positive, and 2 plus cos x whole square is always positive. So we are having positive and positive. Okay. Now for number 2, pi by 2 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2. Now here from 90 to 270, what cos is? Cos x is what? It is negative. Okay. So we are having now f derivative x is equal to negative, then positive upon positive. So this becomes negative. Number 3, now 3 pi by 2 is less than x is less than 2 pi. Now here f derivative x will be, now in the fourth quadrant, suppose again it is 45 degrees going towards the clockwise direction. Okay, in the fourth quadrant. So we are having positive, this will become positive, this is already positive. So we are having positive upon positive, and it is positive. So now with these help of these symbols, what we are having? We are having now strictly increasing on 0 comma pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 comma 2 pi. Strictly increasing. Strictly decreasing on the negative part, this one, it is pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. Okay. So these are the answers. Or you can also write it for this part. You can write it here just for a symbol, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, again strictly increasing. Okay, so like this we have to be very much careful for the calculation part. Rest part is